Hello student, good afternoon. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In last lecture we detail discuss inheritance and variation chapter content concept, Mendel's law of inheritance. You know Mendel proposed three laws. In that first, law of dominance, second, law of segregation, and third, law of independent assortment. We detail discuss in last lecture also. Back cross and test cross is also. Now today we learn some more concept including inheritance and variation chapter, like deviations from Mendel's finding, neo-Mendelian genetics. In that most important term seen or observed known as gene interaction. We detail discuss type of gene interaction. In that first one is intragenic gene interaction, contain first concept incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple allele. Also we detail discuss today's lecture. Intergenic interaction is second type of gene interaction. So today's lecture we detail discuss all these concept include here. So let us start today's first concept known as deviation from Mendel's finding. Mendel's experiment gave few generalizations. Number one, single triad control single gene have two alleles. Second, two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant over the other, so other is recessive. Genes or factors for different triads present on different chromosome assort independently. So all these aspects are included in Mendel's work. So these are the generalizations. With the passage of time, means after Mendel work, more time passed, later different deviation were observed or identified in the post-Mendelian era, gave additional information on pattern of inheritance. This deviation are called as neo-Mendelism. Always remember, neo-Mendelism means after Mendel's work called as neo-Mendelism. What are the deviation finding from Mendel's works? You know, in Mendel work, single triad, single gene, two alleles. Neo-Mendelism, seen two alleles showing interaction, produce codominance and incomplete dominance. So codominance and incomplete dominance are deviation finding from Mendel's work. Second, single triad, single gene, two alleles is Mendelian work. More than two alleles produce multiple allelism. So multiple allelism is also deviation finding from Mendel's works. Number third, single triad, single gene is Mendel work. More than one gene produce polygenic inheritance is also one of the deviation finding from Mendel's work. And last, single gene, single triad is Mendel work. Single gene influencing many triads produce pleiotropy. So here noted all these from codominance, and incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy are deviation finding from Mendel's work. Always remember, deviation finding from Mendel's work, codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy. So all these are the different deviation finding from Mendel's work. Most of time this question is noted, enlist different deviation finding from Mendel's work. So at that time list out incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy are deviation finding from Mendel's work. New Mendelian genetics observe one of the most important term known as gene interaction. We detail discuss what is actual gene interaction. When phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by the other gene, such process called as gene interaction. You know, in Mendelian work, phenotypic expression, F1 generation always only dominant, but in Neo Mendelism work, phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by other gene. Gene interaction are of two types: intragenic interaction or interallelic interaction. Second, intergenic interaction or non-allelic interaction. So we detail discuss type of gene interaction contain. First one is intragenic interaction. In intragenic interaction, gene interaction occurs between alleles of same genes. Such gene interaction called as intragenic interaction. In intragenic interaction, that is gene interaction occurs between alleles of same gene. Best example, incomplete dominance seen, alleles of same gene interaction. Also codominance seen, alleles of same gene interaction. Also gene interaction occurs between multiple allele series of a gene. Best example, multiple alleles. So all these three terms like incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles are included in intragenic interaction. We detail discuss one by one before. Second type of gene interaction is intergenic interaction. What is intergenic interaction? Gene interaction occurs between alleles of different genes present on same or different chromosome. Such gene interaction called as intergenic interaction. Intergenic interaction contain pleiotropy, polygene, epistasis, supplementary and complementary genes. So all these different concepts are included in intergenic interaction. In our syllabus contain concept incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allele, pleiotropy. We detail discuss one by one. First one is incomplete dominance. Now incomplete dominance, when both the alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially in F1 hybrid, such condition called as incomplete dominance. In simply, incomplete dominance express both alleles themselves partially in F1 hybrid. You know, in Mendelian work, F1 hybrid, F1 generation express only dominant character in new Mendelian genetics, means in incomplete dominance express both alleles partially in F1 hybrid. Always remember, one allele or gene cannot completely suppress the expression of the other allele or gene. Thus, there is formation of an intermediate expression in F1 hybrid, means in F1 generation seen intermediate expression in between two alleles, means both alleles express partially in F1 generation. The well-known example of incomplete dominance is flower color of Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa is one of the flowering plant. So in that seen incomplete dominance, if a red flower colored plant Mirabilis jalapa cross with white colored flower plant produce F1 generation offspring is pink colored flowers. Means if a red flower colored plant contain genotype capital R cross with white colored flower plants small r produce F1 offspring pink color, and its genotype is capital R small r. So here the F1 hybrid is intermediate expression seen, means both alleles express partially, like red color is capital R gene or allele, white color small r or gene express in F1 generation, so produce pink color, combination of red and white pink color flower produce in F1 generation. Now we see graphical representation in complete dominance. Graphical representation in complete dominance here. Phenotype red color flower cross with white color flower. You know genotype of red color flower capital R, white color flower small r. At the time of gamete formation, capital R is one of the gamete from red flower, small r is one of the gamete from white flower. At the time of union of gamete, that is fertilization, both capital R gamete and small r gamete unite to form capital R small r, and this is the pink flower genotype. Phenotype is pink flower, and this one is first filial or F1 generation. So here clearly seen that produce F1 generation is intermediate expression and express partially red flower gene as well as white flower gene, here clearly seen in F1 generation. You know selfing of F1. So pink flower cross with pink flower, genotype of pink flower capital R small r here noted, cross with capital R small r noted. So at the time of gamete formation from pink flower, both alleles are separated and enter into each gamete. So capital R is one of the gametes, small r is one of the gametes. Same condition here, same seen, capital R, small r. So gamete enter into Punnett square here noted. So this gamete enter here and this gamete enter in the Punnett square box. After crossing or union of gametes produce second filial or F2 generation. So here capital R combine to form a red color flower plant. Capital R, small r combine to form pink color flower plant. Capital R, small r combine to form pink color flower plant. Small r combine to form white color flower plant. So here produce F2 generation four plant scenes, one red colored flower plant, two pink colored flower plant and one white colored flower plant. So the phenotypic ratio, you know, red color flower plant, pink color flower plant, white color flower plant, red 1, pink 2 and white 1. So phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. You know, in Mendelian work, monohybrid phenotypic ratio 3:1. Here 1:2:1. Always remember difference between Mendelian work monohybrid cross. Here also this is monohybrid cross. So Mendelian work monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio is 3:1, but new Mendelian work, in that incomplete dominance, phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. This is the difference between monohybrid cross of Mendelian work and new Mendelian work monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio. Now the genotypic ratio noted here, you know, here capital R red colored flower plant 1, here capital R, small r, these two genotypes noted here, and this is the white colored flower plant, small r. So genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. So always remember, in incomplete dominance, phenotypic ratio as well as genotypic ratio same 1:2:1. Okay, so here we discuss incomplete dominance is one of the intragenic interaction. I hope that you understood everything. Now the second one is codominance. What is codominance? When both alleles or genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrid, such condition called as codominance. Simply in codominance, express alleles themselves equally in F1 generation. We know in incomplete dominance both alleles express themselves partially, but here both alleles express themselves equally. That is difference between incomplete dominance and codominance. Means here both alleles are expressed equally, seen in F1 generation, means in F1 hybrid. Classical example of codominance is coat color in cattle. You know, coat color in cattle is one of the most important classical example seen in codominance. You know, in incomplete dominance, flower color of Mirabilis jalapa, here codominance, coat color in cattle. Always remember. So coat color cattle are two types coat colors, one with red coat, red color hairs, and other with white coat, white color here, seen here. This is the red color coat cattle, and this one is white color coat cattle. So these two cattles, when cross, one is red color coat and other is white color coat. So these two color cattles cross to produce F1 hybrid, both red and white color, and this two red and white color is equally seen in F1 hybrid are called as roan. Seen we detail example here. When red color cattle have capital R genotype are cross with white color cattle capital W. Always remember here capital W genotype is noted because small r is noted in incomplete dominance. So here the change genotypes in white cattle means capital W. So produce from this both red color cattle cross with white color cattle produce F1 hybrid is roan. Means the hybrid seen red color as well as white color. So its genotype is capital R capital W. Always remember roan have the mixture of red and white color hairs. Roan have the mixture of red and white color hairs. Seen here, this is the roan cattle produced from cross red color cattle with white color cattle. Thus both the traits are expressed equally. So here we seen both allele expressed equally in F1 generation. Now graphical representation of codominance. Phenotype red color cattle means red cattle cross with white cattle. Seen here, this is the red color cattle cross with white color cattle. Genotype of red color cattle is capital R. White color cattle capital W at the time of gamete formation. So red color cattle produce capital R gamete, white color cattle produce capital W gamete. At the time of fertilization, both gamete union to form zygote, and zygote is converted into embryo produce organism. Such organism have genotype is capital R capital W. Means here both alleles genotype seen. So both allele genotype seen. Also phenotype is also seen, both alleles red color as well as white color. So this is the roan production of F1 generation. Here seen, this roan is produced from red cattle cross with white cattle. So roan means mixing of red and white color. So here this is the F1 or first filial F1 generation, first filial generation. Now selfing of F1 means roan cross with roan. Here seen one roan cross with another roan. Genotype of roan is capital R capital W. Another roan is also genotype capital R capital W. So at the time of gamete formation, capital R and capital W both alleles are enter into separate gametes. So capital R is one of the gamete, capital W is also one of the gamete from roan. F1 hybrid, same another rune, F1 hybrid is produced, capital R is one of the gamete, capital W is one of the gamete. So gamete combination produce F2 generation or second filial organism seen here. Detail, this gamete means capital R gamete cross with capital R gamete, another rune. So both rune from gamete capital R combined to form red color cattle. So in its genotype is red colored cattle, capital R. Now capital R is one of the gamete from one rune and capital W is one of the gamete from another rune to form the rune offspring, and its genotype is capital R, capital W. Always remember, this is the second organism produced from this cross. Now here one rune capital R gamete cross with another rune capital W. So this is the production of rune, means capital R and capital W its genotype, and last one is one rune from capital W, another rune from also capital W combined to form white cattle, and its genotype is capital W. So white cattle is produced, seen here. One red colored cattle, one white colored cattle, and two rune F1 hybrids are seen in second generation or second filial. So its phenotypic ratio seen, no doubt red is 1 rune 2 and white 1, means 1:2:1. Same ratio seen in incomplete dominance, but here's red 1 rune 2 white 1, while genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1, because capital R means red color cattle 1, capital R capital W means rune F1 hybrid 2, and capital W means 1 white cattle. So 1:2:1 is genotypic ratio. Also phenotypic ratio 1:2:1 means in codominance also phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio same 1:2:1. Genotypic ratio also 1:2:1. So here clearly seen deviation from Mendel's work. In Mendel work, monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio is always 3:1, but here phenotypic ratio is change 1:2:1, and clearly seen both alleles express equally in F1 hybrid. So here we detail discuss codominance concept. Before that we detail discuss incomplete dominance concept. So I hope that you understood everything. Now the next one is multiple. Now multiple allele. What is multiple allele? More than 2 allele or gene in a population occupy the same locus of an chromosome. Such allele are called as multiple allele. This is the third different concept included in intragenic interaction. Seen here, multiple allele, especially multiple allele arises by mutation of the wild type of gene. Mutation of the wild type of gene. A gene can mutate several times, producing a series of alternative expression. Different alleles in a series show dominant, recessive, codominance, incomplete dominance. So here seen all these aspects: dominant, recessive, codominance or incomplete dominance, also wild type of dominant over all other mutant alleles. In multiple allele, one of the most important best example is Drosophila is one of the fruit fly. Always remember, in multiple allele example, Drosophila is one of the fruit fly. You know, in incomplete dominance, one of the best example is flower color of Mirabilis jalapa. In codominance, one of the well-known best example is coat color cattle. And multiple allele, one of the best example is Drosophila is one of the fruit fly. In Drosophila seen large number of multiple alleles. Always remember, in Drosophila fruit fly seen large number of multiple alleles. Example, the size of wing abnormality seen in Drosophila. Normal wing to vestigial wing seen abnormality. The normal wing is wild type, while the vestigial wing is recessive type. So we here discuss phenotype and genotype in Drosophila. Here this is the column of phenotype and this column is genotype. Seen here, normal wing Drosophila is phenotype. So seen Drosophila, normal wing seen here, this is the normal wing. So its noted genotype is Vg, small vg plus is its genotype. Always remember, pairing normal wing genotype small v small g plus genotype. Nicked wing seen here, phenotype nicked wing. So this wing is abnormality seen nicked. So nicked wing phenotype Drosophila, its genotype is v small g n I, it means nicked wing. Third one is notched wing, seen phenotype notched wing. Here notches of wings seen Drosophila, and this phenotype is due to genotype is NO, means notched wing genotype. So here noted genotype is small v small g NO, notched wing genotype. Strap wing phenotype seen here, both wings in strap condition. So when strap wing phenotype, its genotype is VGST. ST means strap, small VGST, genotype of strap wing. Vestigial wing Drosophila seen here, wingless Drosophila is clearly seen. So if the wingless or vestigial wing Drosophila phenotype, its genotype is small v small g. So here we detail discuss phenotypes of Drosophila. What is its genotypes noted here. Always remember, this question is most of time pairing phenotype genotype Drosophila. So normal wing small g small v small g plus, nicked wing small v g ni, notched wing small v g no, strap wing small v small g st, vestigial wing small v small g. So up to this we detail discuss. Multiple allele is third term include in intragenic interaction. Up to this we detail discuss all these three terms, including intragenic interaction like incomplete dominance, codominance, and multiple alleles. Review today's topic. We learn deviation from Mendel's finding, neo-Mendelian genetics, gene interaction, type of gene interaction, in that intragenic interaction contain incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, intergenic interaction. So we detail discuss today's lecture all these concepts. Now on the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. What is codominance? Yes, both alleles of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally, such condition called as codominance. Give phenotype of the F1 hybrid of codominance. Yes, Roan is a phenotype of F1 hybrid codominance. Large number of multiple alleles are found in, yes, Drosophila. Give phenotypic and genotypic ratio in incomplete dominance. Yes, phenotypic ratio in incomplete dominance 1:2, 2:1. Same genotypic ratio is also noted 1:2, 2:1. What are the two types of gene interaction? Intragenic interaction and intergenic interaction. Difference between incomplete dominance and codominance. Yes, in incomplete dominance, both alleles of an allelomorphic pairs express themselves partially, and in codominance both allele express themselves equally. Which are the deviation finding from Mendel's? Yes, codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance, and pleiotropy. The inheritance of flower color in Mirabilis jalapa is an example of codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allele linkages. The correct answer is incomplete dominance. Find out intergenic interaction or non-allelic interaction. Codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allele, pleiotropy. The correct answer is pleiotropy is intergenic interaction. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.